everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Polo Abbe jar mill. It has 24-inch rubber-coated rollers. They are 2-inch in diameter. You can see the one roller is fixed and the other is movable. This allows you to open up to almost 11 1/4 inches. We have two of these. This one's slightly bigger. It goes from 3 1/4 to 11 1/4. That's the center distance on the rollers themselves. It's operating on a 1/2 horsepower Baldor DC drive, which is variable speed. And it has a tachometer, nice and handy to show you what your speed is. These do include some stainless steel grinding media with them. It's mounted on the stainless steel table you see there. Out of Pharmaceutical service, beautiful condition. Great for laboratory or pilot work. We have everything in our stock from processing and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.